Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important coding interview concept called the two-pointer approach. In this video, we will understand what is the two-pointer, where and why we use it. Then we will solve an example. After that, we will do dry run. Then after I will show you the code, and finally we will calculate the time complexity of this question. Okay, so now what is a two pointer? First, let us understand what exactly is two pointer approach. So the two pointer approach is an optimization technique where we use two pointers like two index to solve the problem efficiently. Usually one pointer start from the beginning and another pointer start from the end. Then based on the condition, we will move pointer accordingly. This approach, like two pointer approach, help us to reduce the unnecessary comparison and improve the performance. For example, if we are using two for loops, at place of we will use two pointer, then the time complexity will be convert from order of n square to order of n. Now the question is, where do we use two pointer? Now where do you use approach? We mainly use two pointer in sorted array problem, then pair sum problem, then again in palindrome checking, then if duplicate, then for removing duplicate we can use two pointer approach. Then in sliding window problems you can also see the role of two pointer. Then in linked list problems you also use the two pointer. For example, deducting the cycle you can use two pointer. Now the question is, we how and where we will place the our two pointers. It's not mandatory. According to the question, we can point our pointers at the starting, or it can be in both direction as well. Then we will move our pointers according to the our requirement. If we want to move our pointer from by one, then we can. If we want to move our one pointer by one and other by two, then we can also we do that. Now here is the problem. In this problem, given that a one index sorted array and we have to find two numbers that sum equals to the given target 9. The number array given that 2, 7, 11, 15, and the target the given is 9. So we have to find the value whose sum equals to the target. So for example, 2 and 15, their sum is 17, that is not equals to target. So we will see other elements as well. Then 2 and 11, their sum is 13, so also not equals to the target. Then we have 2 plus 7, that is equals to the 9. So here is 2 and 7 is the answer, so their index we are returning in the output. So let's see the dry run, then you can able to understand what exactly happening in this. So as I told, here is the given array. Now we are doing the two pointer approach. So as earlier discussed, we have pointers like I pointer and the j pointer. So in this, to solve this question, we are keeping our I pointer at the starting and the j pointer at the end. So then in the first step, what we are doing, like 2 plus 15, that is 17. So 17 is greater than target, yes. So now the question is 17, then how we will move our pointer? Like if we move our pointer, like if want to move our pointer I at next then what will happen? 7 plus 15 equals to 22. That give our the greater value. So in this situation, what we need to do, we always move our pointer, right pointer, to -1. So what we are doing, we are decreasing the right pointer. Now what will happen in the next step, the pointer will point to the 11. Okay, so now I at the first position and the jth pointer at the 11. So we will calculate 11 plus 2 equals to 13, still greater than the target. So as above, we will decrease the right pointer. Now the jth pointer will point to the 7 and I pointer will be still pointing to 2. So at this place, what is happening, 2 plus 7 equals to 9. It means 9 equals to 9. So we got our solution. So what in the result we will do, we will return the index of this pointer. So I and j is the index of 2 and 7 that we will store into the array and return as an output. So here you can see the Java implementation of the code as given in the question. We have to return the output based on the one indexing. So here in the array, I start my left from the 0 and the right the given nums minus length dot minus, which is we will firstly calculate the length, then -1. So right pointer will be pointing to the last element of the array. Now we are taking a loop. In the loop, if left is less than right, till that we will move our left pointer. So here the sum we are calculating by pointer value with the given array. If sum, we are checking, if sum equals to greater, then we are returning left pointer plus 1, because in question given that the 1 indexing, that's why we are adding 1. For example, if target is greater than what in question we have seen, right pointer we have to decrease, but what will we have, what in this situation what we need to do, if the sum is less than the target, if sum is less than the target, we need to move the left pointer. So that condition written here. So if for example, if all condition not satisfy, we simply return -1 and -1. That indicate that no two values be found that sum equals to the target. Now coming to the time complexity. Instead of two pointer, we have used two for loop. That time complexity was order of n square, but to solve this question we have used the two pointers. So if you in this question, if you see, we go we do from 0 to length -1. In the worst condition, what will happen, the loop will go from 0 to till length of the given nums. So in this the time complexity will, what will happen, order of n, not n square. So that's why the time complexity of two pointer solution always order of n, and the space complexity in this only we use to return the index of value. So we are not taking any space, that's why the space complexity of order of n of this given question. Now that's the problem, and thank you for the watching, and so that's all for today video. I have teach you what is the two pointer approach, where is and why we use it, how it worked, and also I show you the dry run, also the Java implementation and the time complexity. I hope this video help you understand the concept clear. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. More coding and interview preparation video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.